Hello and welcome to the day ahead. It's Friday, December the 9th. I'm Andrew Gagan. World stocks have rebounded. On Wall Street, the S&P 500 snapped a 5-session losing streak, with tech shares leading a broad-based recovery, with investors seeing an increase in weekly jobless claims as a sign that the pace of interest rate hikes could soon slow. Most mega-cap tech and growth stocks such as Apple, Nvidia and Amazon lifted. And the Biden administration has filed a complaint to block Microsoft's $69 billion bid to buy Call of Duty games maker Activision over concerns the deal would deny rivals access to popular games. The energy index was little changed as the price of oil fluctuated. ExxonMobil gained after announcing it would expand its $30 billion share repurchase program. And Exxon and Chevron, the two largest US oil companies, also revealed that they plan to expand production capacity by spending as much as a combined $42 billion on new projects. Shares in pharmaceutical giant Moderna jumped after the US Food and Drug Administration authorised its COVID vaccinations for children as young as 6 months of age. Similar guidance has been given to Pfizer and its partner BioNTech, those shares also surging after receiving that authorisation. And clothing rental firm Rent the Runway jumped more than 60% after raising its revenue forecast. Meanwhile, a survey by Nataxis investment managers of 500 institutional investors who collectively manage around $20 trillion in assets found 58% think their economies will be in recession next year, while 65% see stagflation as a significant risk. And with that in mind, more than 2/3 of those surveyed are favouring a portfolio composed of 60% stocks, 20% fixed income and 20% alternative investments. Well, the number of Americans filing new claims for jobless benefits increased moderately last week. Initial claims for unemployment increased by 4,000 to a seasonally adjusted 230,000 for the week, which was in line with expectations. However, continuing unemployment claims jumped to 1.67 million to a 10-month high, which suggests the labour market is deteriorating. US Treasury yields advanced as investors await inflation data ahead of the Fed's monetary policy meeting next week. US producer price numbers are due on Friday, while the consumer price index will be out on Tuesday, a day before the Fed announces its policy decision. The US dollar has edged lower against most majors. The Aussie dollar, it's currently at 67.7. Well, the Australian share market is set to follow global markets higher this morning. ASX futures up around 1/3%. Oil prices edged lower on the prospect of a major crude pipeline that shut after a leak resuming service. Brent crude is down to $76 a barrel, and the energy markets remain weighed down on signs of a global economic slowdown. However, limiting the losses was that announcement by China earlier this week that it is easing its strict zero COVID policy. Base metal prices were mostly higher, led by copper. Gold prices have gained modestly as the US dollar eased, with spot gold at $1,789 an ounce. And the crypto market has seen broad-based gains, with Bitcoin trading back above $17,000. And that is your day ahead. We'll see you again on Monday.